queens, welcome or welcome back to the channel. It's the girl AnekeAnnakay. How y'all doing or whatever? Hello kings and queens, how y'all doing or whatever? If you're an oldie but goodie, thank you so much for returning back to your girl's channel. If you are new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Okay, we appreciate you and welcome to my small part of the YouTube universe. And if you do like the content here, I hope you consider hitting that subscribe button, because little baby over here, it's a whole lot of shenanigans over here. Okay, so before we get into the paycheck budget breakdown, as you guys can see, you know we got to do it. We got to do it. We got to do our shout outs. So guys, shout out. Oh child, let me find it. Where you at? Baby, where you at? Oh yeah, cool. Shout out for this video goes to Lizzie Budgets. Okay, she's new to me. She may be old to you, but she's new to me. So first is Lizzie Budgets. Love little baby. Okay, make sure you go and check this channel out because she's cute. We love her. Next for the shout out is Mel Budgets. Little baby. Okay, I love her. She cute, she funny, she nice. Okay, she the type of vibe that I'm on, and I'm on her vibe and she on my vibe. So if you haven't, go check this out. So guys, those are my shout outs for this video. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay y'all, so this is about to be the quickest budget with me because one, little baby's battery is finished, and two, as you can see the spread, we ain't got too much going on. Matter of fact, we ain't got nothing going on. So in order for us to do our budget, we need to first do our challenges. So we got to figure out how much money we are putting in our challenges. So let's take them out. I'm so extra with this box. Like, why, little baby? Just why? But anyways, let's shake all of them up. Yep. Shake them up. And then let's pick our numbers, guys. Now, I'm trying to get low money. Okay, trying to get low money, but I don't know, y'all. I don't know. Okay, let's see what we pick. Ooh, child. Okay, this is a quarterly challenge. So the low one is $8. That's cute. We like it. Let's see what we get for the big one. Ooh, child. Ooh, child. Ooh, we scared a little bit. $164. Oh, child. Oh, gosh. These numbers don't like me, apparently. Child, we have the small dollars and they give us the big one. Ooh. All right, let's see what we're getting for this one. I don't know if this is the small side or the big side. Ooh, child. Oh, God. I ain't looking, y'all. I ain't looking. How much is it? How much? $70. Yeah, I don't think they like me at all. Okay, and the last one, this is supposed to be the low side, but you know, ooh, child, oof. Y'all, I close my eyes. Y'all can't see me, but my eyes closed. I'm trying to get a small number. Ooh, what it say? Tell me what it say. Oh, $31. They don't like me. I'm convinced my challenges don't like me because they be giving me these numbers like, ma'am, sir, what's up? What's good? For real? What's good? Do you want to fight? But now, guys, so as you can see, this is the spread. So we're just going to fill in our quarterly and 100 envelope challenge real quick. So for our quarterly challenge, what is 164 plus 8? That's 172. So quarterly challenge, we're putting $172 towards that, and then our 100 envelopes, we got 31.70, so that is $101. Okay, we're gonna flip back and then we can go through. As you guys can see, not too much going on, and I likes it. So Paycheck was $1,085.88. You guys know the cents already gone to, let me put y'all in the frame. The cents already gone to savings, we don't count it, so we're gonna have $185. Now, we are gonna subtract car fuel, which is our fixed expense, which is $25. So, boom, bada bang. And that is $25 total. I'm not doing anything to merit this paycheck because, let me take this off. Last paycheck, I already sent him the money for the month, so I'm not doing anything for him this paycheck. So that's $25 total for fixed expenses. Variable expenses, only thing we have this one is tithes, because like I say, we are channeling our inner Tinesha because baby girl moves in 6 months, actually 5 months. We ain't got no time to be playing no games, okay? So tithing is gonna get 10%. This is 108. I like to round up to the next double digits number, I guess. So that would be 110. So we're gonna subtract 110 from the 1060 that we have left over, and that's gonna leave us with 950 to work with. So let me put 110 right there, and my total is 110. Boom, bada bang. I need to put 185 here. Okay, cool. That is that. So we know that we are taking out 172 for the quarterly challenge, which leaves us with $778, and we're taking out $101 for the 100 envelope challenge, which leaves us with $677. So y'all, we gotta break this up how we break this up. So 1 second, let me check last week for one thing. So JA vacation last week, I gave it $50, right? But for this month, I have my Jamaican budget coming out, guys. But I need to give it a minimum of $150 per month. So I'm gonna give JA vacation another $150. So let's minus $150 for JA vacation. Then who's more important? So these are my next 4 important bills, or well, 3: home, car maintenance, and first month's bill. Travel is nice to do. So I'm gonna give first month's bill another $200 because they is not paying for themselves, just to be honest. Then home, I'm gonna give it $150. Actually, I'm gonna give home $170. It's minus $170 for home. Leaves us with $150 to work with. I'm gonna give car maintenance. Well, I'm gonna give travel since I'm on that one. 50. No, do I wanna give? What do I? Ooh. Let's. Actually, guys, let's change up. I know, I'm sorry. For home, I was giving it $170, but we changed our mind. We're gonna give it $200, and we're gonna minus an extra $30. And so that's gonna leave us with to work with. So $200 is going to home. Travel can get, actually car maintenance can get there $50. Minus $50 for car maintenance leaves me $77. What do I want to do? Travel is my last main bill, which is left. So I'm gonna give travel. Ooh, this is so like, ooh. I'm gonna give travel $50. And that leaves me with 27. So I'm gonna do 10 for both Juneteenth and Black Friday. So minus 10 and minus 10 again. Leaves me with $7. And I'm gonna do $7 for Christmas bill. And yeah, actually, nope. This is what we call real budgeting, guys. Nope. I'm gonna do 15 for Juneteenth. And I'm gonna do $2 for Christmas bills. So that's gonna take away the 7 that was left, and that brings me down to 0. So boom, bada bang, guys. That's how we doing this bill, or well, this budget breakdown. So my income was $1,085. My fixed expenses was $25. My variable expenses was $110, and then my sinking funds 200 plus 50 plus 50 plus 200 plus 15 plus 10 plus 150 plus 2 plus 172 plus 101 is 950. So if we added up the 950 plus the 110 for tides plus the 25 for car fuel, 1085, so it matches perfectly. We love to see it. So that is gonna leave us 0 left over. So yeah, guys, that is my budget breakdown. This is probably the fastest one I've ever did, but also my battery's dying, so we have to get into it. But yeah, I am not trying to put money in places that don't need to go, because we moving, so we're being really stricter with our budget. But yeah, so anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, share this video with a family, a friend, or a foe. And tomorrow on Saturday, there will be a cash stuffing, so make sure you guys come back for that tomorrow. Okay, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Again, my name is AnekeAnnakay. Bye.
How you wanna do it? How you wanna get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk. Bad little thing.